Hey guys, it's Jessica, and today I thought I'd show you how to crochet this raised ripple stitch, which is really beautiful. It reminds me a little bit of the Irish moss stitch in knitting. It has a very nice texture, so think scarves, blankets, or anything that you can imagine. So I had started the video with this yarn, which is this gorgeous Touch of Alpaca yarn by Lion Brand in Blush, but it was a little bit hard to see the stitches, so I'm going to use a little bit of a brighter yarn, and I think this is Vanna's choice. I'm not sure, it just was in my stash. So what you will do is you're going to start with an odd number of stitches. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then add 2. 1, 2. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is we're going to double crochet across this row, and we're going to make our first stitch into the 4th chain from our hook. So count 1, 2, 3, 4, yarn over, go into that 4th chain, and make a double crochet. And simply double crochet across for the first row. Here we go. Almost done. 2 more to go. Whoops. So this definitely isn't a beginner stitch, I would say. But you'll see that if you've got some experience, it's really easy to memorize after a few rows. It's just a few rows of a repeat, and once you get going, it's a lot of fun. Okay, so for row 2, we chain 1 and turn, and we're just going to single crochet across this row. So we skip that first chain 1 we just made, work into this stitch here, and single crochet all the way across. So far, pretty easy, right? Okay, and then make sure you work into that chain 3 as well. So 1 more single crochet here. And if you're counting stitches, I made a chain of 11, so we should have 9. Alright, so for row 3, we are going to chain 3, 2, 3, turn, and we're going to skip this very first stitch here, and we're going to work what's called a front raised treble into the double crochet below that skipped stitch. Okay, so skip this stitch, work a front raised treble in the double crochet below the next stitch. And how we do that is we yarn over like a double, yarn over again, from front to back, we go around this, and pull through 2, 2 more, and last 2. Okay, that's how we get that bumpy texture. Then you're going to skip this next stitch here and work a double crochet into the next. Alright, then we're going to skip this next double down below and work our treble around the next one. Okay, skip a stitch, and work a double into the next. So we're repeating this across the row. You're basically skipping a double down here and then a stitch up here. So now we're going to skip this double and work our front raised treble around the next one from front to back. Pull through 2, again. Okay, skipping a stitch, working a double into the next one, skipping this and making the front raised treble around the next, skipping a stitch, making a double into that very last stitch, and we've completed row 3, so we can start to see. Okay, so now we are on row 4, and for row 4 we simply repeat row 2. So we chain 1 and we work single crochet stitches across the row. Easy, easy. So whenever you're working the back side, you simply single crochet. Okay, work all the way across and make sure to work into that chain 3 there. Okay. Next we are on row 5 and we're going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3 and turn. And for this row we're going to skip that first stitch and work a double crochet into the second stitch of the row. And this is a lot like row 3. We're now going to do the front raised treble. Okay, we skip a stitch and work a double into the next stitch. Okay, skip this stitch here and work a front raised around this double here. We skip that stitch, work a double into the next, so once you get going you can see I'm going to work my treble around this stitch, not the raised stitch. It's around the double crochet stitch here. Skip a stitch, work in double into this. Okay, and then the last treble. Okay, and that is the stitch pattern. So now you just repeat rows 2 through 5 for as long as you want, and you get a gorgeous texture like this. So I hope you enjoyed it and have fun!